In today's fast-moving manufacturing world, every second counts. Factories must operate smarter, machines must communicate seamlessly, operations must run with precision and clarity. But in many plants, critical data remains scattered, hidden across machines, departments, and systems. Production inefficiencies go unnoticed. Energy consumption continues to rise. Unexpected machine failures interrupt operations. To stay competitive, manufacturers need more than automation. They need intelligence. Now imagine a single platform that brings everything together. A platform that connects machines, collects data, and delivers real-time insights directly into your operations. Introducing DigiFacto, a smart manufacturing intelligence platform built for connected factories. It gives you complete visibility, control, and actionable insights across your operations. With DigiFacto, every layer of your factory becomes smarter. Efficio for real-time productivity and OEE insights. AusEnergy to monitor and optimize energy usage. FixItNow to streamline maintenance and improve asset reliability. Predicta to detect anomalies and prevent failures before they happen. Connect machines and assets across your shop floor. Visualize data through intuitive dashboards. Predict issues with intelligent analytics. Automate workflows for faster response. Integrate seamlessly with your existing systems, all in one unified platform. The result is a smarter factory, where data drives decisions, machines operate reliably, and teams respond faster than ever before. With DigiFacto, your factory doesn't just run, it evolves. DigiFacto, powering the future of smart manufacturing. Try DigiFacto and transform your factory into a smarter, data-driven operation.